Hey, what is up guys and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you that what are the requirements for a website. Okay, like when we want to build a website, we have to complete every requirement that is necessary for a website. So there are two things that are required for the website. The first one is the domain name and the second one is the web hosting. Okay, so the domain name and the web hosting you can get for free, and you can also get for like $150 as well. Okay, now why you should go with the paid one, I want to tell you this. Okay, so free web hosting would be just for the learning purposes. Like if you want to learn it, you can go with the free web hosting and then you can install WordPress in it, and then you can basically learn that how everything works and how the WordPress works in these. Okay, and the paid web hosting is used for the professional purposes, like when you want to just start your own company right now and you think, okay, I just want to start my own company, like what most of the people are here for. Okay, and so also you care about the data because the free web hosting servers are very slow. Like when you will start receiving some traffic to your website, 100 viewers per day, then your website will be, or your account will be suspended by the free web hosting. And the paid web hosting, like when you will receive a lot of viewers, your website will not be just like suspended, and your website will be live because you have paid for it. Okay, that is why this is the difference between the web hosting. Okay, so what is a web hosting and how you can get it, and how we can go with the paid web hosting and how we can go with the free web hosting, I'm gonna tell you each and everything. But if you want to go with my suggestion, then I would say, like if you care about your data, if you care about your everything, then go with the paid hosting. Well, if you just here for learning purposes and you don't care if your website goes down or if your account gets just like deleted, you don't care, and then you can go with the free web hosting, guys. So let's get started. Now, what is the web hosting and why is it necessary? You can see that I am here in this google.com. Okay, this google.com is called the domain name. Okay, and what everything coming inside here is called the web hosting. Like you can see, this is the image. If I just drag it and drop it right above here, you can see it says slash images, branding, Google logo, 1x, and Google color, and this. So this is basically stored somewhere, guys. Like you can see that this is the image, and if I just copy this link and I just paste it anywhere, like if I go to new tab and then I just paste it, you can see this image is gonna appear because this image is stored in the hosting of the Google CEO. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. So you have to buy this hosting, or you can go with the free one in order to get started right now. Same like this, if you just go to facebook.com, then facebook.com is basically a domain name. Like you can get a domain name, and the hosting is inside of this. So you can see that this is the image that we have right here. Okay, if I just drag this and I just drop it right here, okay, let me just open this up. And now if I just drag this and I just drop it right here, then you can see that this is the image that is coming, and this is the path where this image is stored, and everything is coming here. So you can see that this image is stored somewhere, guys. Okay, this is how the hosting works. Okay, like if I just open up any other website, let's just go ahead and let's open Udemy. Okay, let's open udemy.com. So udemy.com is also a website. Okay, you can see that we have this image right here. So this image is stored in the web hosting. If I just drag it and drop it right above, you can see that it is downloading right now. But if I will open it up, this image will be coming up here. So everything that is coming inside the website is basically hosted in the web hosting. Now, it might be so confusing to you right now, but when we will get started with it, when we will just get started, you will understand it much better. So let's just go ahead, and in the next video, I will show you how can you basically just go with the paid web hosting, and how can you just start your website professionally. Like investing $150 for a big website. Like you can build unlimited websites into that web hosting, and that web hosting will also give you like 45-day money back guarantees, so that if you change your mind, or if you think that you don't need web hosting anymore, or if you change your mind creating websites, like you think, no, I don't want to build website, I will hire any developer or something like that, and I will pay him, then you can just go ahead and get the refund. So they give you the 100% money back guarantee for 45 days. So you can just try that if you want to go with the professional method. So in the next video, I'll show you how can you basically go with the paid web hosting. And in the next video, I'll show you how can you go with the free web hosting and get set up with your website and also install WordPress. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.